more easier for me.
Amber, you have 2 subscribers in your crappy little YouTube. And yours is just the same as hers. You know, you can edit it as much as you want, okay? And I'll subscribe to you later. There you go. Okay.
Crazy ass motherfucking bird.
The hell? You can put this in your account, Amber. Like, this is my bird, Marley.
Oh God, okay. Dumbass bird. Oh yeah, he dances. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Break it down now, Marley.
Go Marley, go Marley, go Marley, go Marley.
Aww.
Come on, Marley, you can do it. Come on, you can do it, Marley. You can do it.
You broke your double ears. Hey!
What?
You can use this.
Look at him, he's like, what the fuck?
What the fuck is going on to these fucking girls?
Look at him. He's like, hi.
Like we wore a louder Milwaukee desert.
Marley!
Shut up! Amber!
Shut up.
Amber!
Dude, my bird's flipping retarded. He's gonna give us a whiplash one day, I swear.
We're mother freaking crazy. Well, right there, Bonnie. Around that ball. Ow. Me.
He's fucking retarded.
Your bird is so freaking